Hello everyone and welcome. Recently AI is in everyone's ears. Can't say it isn't justified. In the last year we've been witnesses of insane progress on the development of different artificial intelligence.
I'm the boss!
But in this video I want to talk about one that I found particularly fascinating: AI art. Specifically of Stable Diffusion, a technology that allows you to create insane images just typing a few words. In this video we're gonna talk about how this technology works, which are the possibilities and more. So let's begin.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go!
As I just mentioned, typing a few words is enough to make this software produce high quality images for you. And as amazing as it seems, any word or sentence can have an infinite number of results, all of them similar but each one unique. For making that possible, you can use a random seed to make the results different each time and avoid the repetition of the same image. And how is it possible to generate such good images without looking like a badly edited Photoshop image, may you ask? Well, it uses a technique where it basically takes an image and it converts to noise until it destroys it, and then reverts the process, making the AI learn how to create these images and make everything mesh correctly. At least that's how I understand it after my pretty short research. No, seriously, it was really short.
Are you really this lazy?
If you want a more technical video, you just have to ask for it. The model has been released by a collaboration of Stability AI, Compis LMU, and Runway with support from Elother AI, I don't know if I pronounced that correctly,
Are you stupid?
and Lion in October 2022, pretty recently actually. And do you want to know what is the most exciting part of this? Stable Diffusion code and model weights have been released publicly, allowing everyone to run on a hardware with a GPU with at least 8 GB of RAM. If you run this locally, of course, which is not necessary. This marked a departure from previous proprietary text-to-image models such as DALL-E and Midjourney, which were accessible only via cloud services, and they were pretty expensive.
So expensive!
This allows us to use the software without spending any money and also make things like modify the code and train the AI with our own face. Or pretty much anything that you can imagine of. Wow, there was a lot of information. So now that you have some basic knowledge on what this technology does, I want to show you what it's capable of. What you're seeing right now is an interface that allows us to use Stable Diffusion in an easier and more visual way. Let's say I want a picture of a cat. Okay. But let's say that I want a picture of a cat on a beach. No problem. Let's say that I want a picture with the cat on the beach with cinematic lights, comic style, and the cat is blue. It doesn't really matter the idea that you have in your mind, Stable Diffusion will create it for you. And you can do even more. Let's say that you want an artist as a reference. Done! As you can see, the only limit for this is your own imagination.
Imagination.
As you can imagine, we are witnessing an amazing technology that is going to change a lot of things. This software doesn't make real art, of course. The purpose of this technology is still to create something that originates in the mind of the human being. Nevertheless, we cannot ignore the fact that we are slowly getting into a not too far future where we cannot distinguish the draw of a human or software, a portrait of 100 years ago or an image generated in 10 seconds, without forgetting of course the dangers that can arise later, but that's for another video. Thank you for watching the video, and please subscribe if you're not yet. There will be more videos soon about AI and more things related with these crazy technology times that we are living in right now. Give a like if you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time.